everyone, I'm Kimberly and this is Memaw's Crafts and Chaos. And I have a very special video because I got my very first Happy Mail and I am so excited. This gift is from Owen Spencer, and when I received it, came from Amazon, and when I received it, I don't have my own Amazon account. When I get Amazon packages, they either come in my husband's name or my daughter's name. And so I got this package and it had my name on it, and I was like, this is kind of cool. It's got my name on it, but I don't know why. And I opened it up and there's a gift receipt in there, and it says from Owen Spencer, sorry. I don't know where I got Wilson from. Owen Spencer. And so she sent me these nail powders. Well, he, I don't know for sure. They sent me these nail powders, and what I'd like to ask Owen, if you could comment down in the comments and let me know who you are, because everybody has a different, like the @ symbol thing where it tells you who the person is, and then I'll know exactly who you are. That would be awesome. But I want you to know for sure that this made my day. I've been kind of feeling a little like maybe I need to not do the my YouTube channel because, it's not growing very fast. It's taking quite a while. And people that have had a YouTube channel for way less time than me have surpassed me by a bunch, So I was actually getting discouraged, and I was going to give up until I received this package. So thank you. Thank you so much for giving me the encouragement to keep going. I really needed that. I needed that very much, and that means so much to me. I just want you to know that. But anyway, so what I'm going to do, this is going to be all dedicated to my Happy Mail. So I've got these 3 little molds, and I've taken each one of these. I've actually numbered each one of them on the back, and I've numbered my molds so that we'll remember which one is which. We're going to pour them, and we're going to back them with black. Then we're going to unmold them, and then we're going to do it again, and we're going to back them in white, just so we can see the difference of what they look like when we back them in a different color. Okay, so I'm going to run and grab some resin, get that mixed up, and then I will come back. We'll pour these, and then we'll wait for them to cure and get them unmolded. So I will be right back. All right, got my resin mixed up. We'll just get these poured, and then I can't spray them with alcohol because I don't want to disrupt the powder in there. And I don't want to poke anything down in there because I don't want to disrupt the powder. I want it to stay perfect. So these all came separate. So I only got the gift receipt and the product receipt for this one. These 2 didn't have anything in them. This one says it's a pearlescent crystal sand, cat's eye, holographic chrome, mirror effect glitter nail powder. That's what this one said. This one, I think I found it. I went on Amazon so I kind of knew what we were looking at. I think I found this one. I think this one is the Pearl Chrome Iridescent Aurora Mermaid. I think that's what that one is. That one was a little harder. I think it was the Ice Transparent Aurora Jelly Neon Rainbow Holographic Chameleon nail powders. They're all nail powders. Get in there. I made up an ounce, and this is the Let's Resin epoxy resin. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. Okay, that's all that we wrote. So we'll get these cured up. I'll put them on my heat mat so they cure fast. And then we'll be back to pour them, to demold them and see what they look like with the backed in black. And then we will come back, and then we'll mix up some more resin, mix it with white, and then we will pour them in white and see what they look like with backed in white. So I will see you in just a second. Okay, these have cured up, so let's go ahead and unmold these ones. So there's that one. I'll show them to you closer. There's that one. That one. And then at the end, we'll take a really close look at the powders and how they look in the black and how they look in the white. There's that one. These are pretty, super pretty. Okay. So there's those ones. See those ones? So we'll put them up here in their order so we don't get anything out of order. Okay. There's one. That one. Oh, come on. Butter. There's those ones. Pretty colors. They are so pretty. There's those ones. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get these molds painted up again. All in the same, like I did before. So they're all in the same ones that we need. And then I'll get the resin mixed up. And I'll just go ahead and pour them. And then I'll be back to demold them with you. Because we're going to back these ones in the white. So, but we don't need to go through all of that again. So I will see you back soon. Okay. Time to see what they look like in white. So I still have them numbered. I have these are the ones that we did in black, and they're with each color. So we're going to see what they look like with white. So there's number 1. So that's backed in black, and that's backed in white. Pretty. Okay. This is number 2. Black and white. Pretty. Kind of starting to, I don't know. Gives them, if you want a more intense color, you definitely want to back them in black. If you want a more subtle color, you would definitely back them in white. So that's 3. Make sure I'm doing this right. Ooh, 4's pretty. So that's 4. 5. Six. Oh, that one's super pretty with white behind it. Wow. That so pretty. I like it in the with backed in black too, but wow, that is a total difference. So that was 7. That one's pretty in white also. There's 8. There's 9. That's 10. I'm impressed at how many bubbles I do not have. So, an 11. Ooh, that one's pretty. Wow. That's 12. Can you see the color shift in that? That is so cool. All right. Oh, pretty. These kind of go pastel-y. I like that. I love pastel colors. So that's 13. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Ooh, that's really pretty. I'm actually liking these colors backed in the white for sure. Oh yeah, definitely. So pretty. Look at those. Oh, ooh, I love that one. There's that one. Ooh, that one I think right there is my favorite. Love that one. So pretty, pretty. And that one. So you definitely get the pink because that is a pink. So pretty. So now if you look at them compared to their color, make sure we keep the lids with them. I'll put them on the wrong one. These ones tend to somewhat keep the color that we backed with them in black. And change totally with the white. Geez, these ones are so hard to open. There we go. So they kind of stay somewhat true to the color that's in the tray. These ones are going to look more like the white ones, of course. And then the black brings out a darker color in them. So these ones look more like the white ones. And these ones are going to probably look more like the, little bit more like the white ones also. Yeah, they're looking more like the white ones also. So if you like the color that's in the jar, you definitely want to go with the white on these two and the black on that one. Yeah, these are pretty. These are really pretty. I am so happy to get these. These are so pretty. And I'm glad we did this little test because that's kind of a cool test to see what they'd look like in white and black, or backed in white and black. So anyway, thanks again for the happy mail. I sure appreciate it. And like I said, please make sure you text me down below or comment to me so I know who you are that sent these. I mean, I know the thing said Owen Spencer, but you know, if you're like me and I send you a gift, unless I go in and change it, it would say my husband's name on it or my daughter's name. It wouldn't be mine. But so I want to make sure that, you know, when I see your comments or I see you up on the screen or anything or in my subscribers, I know who it is. So please leave me a comment. Let me know who it is for sure. And thank you again. You made my day. You made my week. You made me want to keep my YouTube channel going. So thank you so much. And if you're not a subscriber, maybe you'd think about subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything. It's absolutely free. And it would help my channel out immensely. And liking and commenting and doing all that and watching the videos all the way through from start to finish also helps everybody's YouTube channel, not just mine, but everybody's. And if you are a subscriber, thank you so much. And for watching my videos, I love each and every one of you. And I appreciate each and every one of you. And I just want to say, God bless you all. And don't forget, always embrace your chaos. Thanks, guys.